Chapter 2: Cellular Death, the Biological Betrayal. Every war begins with a betrayal. But what if the greatest betrayal isn't by a nation, a partner, or a belief system, but by your own cells? Inside your body, at this very moment, millions of cells are living, dying, and regenerating. It is a beautiful choreography, a sacred dance. Yet this symphony of life can suddenly shift into disharmony. What was once regeneration becomes degeneration. What was once healing becomes decay. This isn't just biology, it's betrayal. Cellular betrayal. We call it aging. We call it disease. We call it death. But what if this betrayal is not destiny? What if it's a mistake? Worse yet, what if it's our own doing? The lie of natural decay. For decades, we've believed that death begins in the body due to wear and tear, that the human system is like a machine with a shelf life. But what if that analogy is false? Machines don't heal themselves. Humans do. Machines degrade. Humans regenerate. Every 7 years, almost every single cell in your body is replaced. Your stomach lining regenerates every few days. Your skin is new every month. Your bones rebuild every decade. And yet, we continue to believe we are in inevitable decline. Why? Because we've normalized decay. We've embedded death into our biology through a far more powerful force than time: belief. The Hayflick myth and telomere trap. In 1961, Leonard Hayflick discovered that human cells have a limit to how many times they can divide. This was called the Hayflick limit, and it became the scientific proof of aging and death. But this was a half-truth. The reason cells stop dividing isn't fate. It's because of telomeres, the protective caps at the end of chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, the telomeres shorten. When they become too short, the cell goes into senescence, a zombie-like state, and eventually dies. But here's the miracle. In 2009, scientists discovered telomerase, an enzyme that can rebuild telomeres and restore a cell's youth. That means the so-called expiration date isn't fixed. It's adjustable, it can be paused, even reversed. So the question is, if we can keep cells alive, why do we still die? Because we never taught the body how to live fully. Because our cells are listening, not just to DNA, but to our environment, thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Your cells are listening to you, biologist Dr. Bruce Lipton shattered conventional science by proving that the nucleus, which houses your genes, isn't the true command center of the cell. It's the membrane, the interface between